This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software. This avoids surprises. First, verify your Mac has USB-C or a compatible Thunderbolt port and update Mac OS so drivers are current. Next, inspect the headphones. If they use native USB-C, plan to plug directly. If they are USB-A or TRS, choose an active digital adapter. Now plug the headphones into a rear port or into a powered adapter, so the system can detect them immediately. Watch system settings while you connect. Once done connecting, open system settings and go to sound so you can choose the new device as output. You may need audio MIDI setup to change sample rate and bit depth for studio headphones. Set 44. 1K Hz or 48K Hz and the correct channel mapping. Make sure output volume and balance are correct, and use per app audio routing if you want music on one app and system sounds on another. These steps ensure correct playback and prevent clipping or muted channels. You finish by testing both playback and, if applicable, the headphone mic in a voice call so you confirm two-way audio. If audio doesn't appear, restart core audio using terminal, sudo kill all core audio, then reconnect. Make sure to save work first. If noise or no power persists, swap cables, try another USB-C port, or use an active adapter with external power. One key tip: if the mic isn't recognized, check input in sound settings and grant microphone permission to the app. You'll often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.